That's what I like to see. All green. Why is it not working? That's what I like to see. Tesh says. There we go. Connected to that. I'm fuzzy, fuzzy, fuzzy. Yeah. Might have to refresh, Crystal. You might have to refresh. Let me see. You might have to. Should be fixed. Just don't believe in it. Yeah. Yeah. Be careful, please. Close that out. You good now? Okay, sounds good. Hey, yo, Crystal Stewart, Tash. Good evening, all. The rope is off. Take the rope off, please, and thank you. Anyways, so this is Bitcoin. Matic though, Matic is an absolute monster. What's Matic at now, anyways? Matic is at wow, almost back to 89. Matic is something else. Matic is honestly something else. We don't sleep, we just make money, Stash. Well, we try to. 87. It's at 87 now. Okay. For some reason, that thing shows me 80. Everything goes down. Matic says nope. Clowning. Like Matic, ETH Classic. Let me pull up these bubbles, right? So again, Matic and ETH Classic. LDO is another one too, Stuart, that you posted in there. This one's been absolute madness. Got back in 73. 73, nice. I got in at 72, Crystal, but I didn't hold it, so that's annoying. But anyway, so Matic has done well. I mean, everything AAVE has done really well, right? Um, la, la. One second. There we go. Get them perfect when the market pumps. Going to the toilet in the is wasting time. That's true. That's true. Oh, a hold for oh, you hold, Crystal? Okay. One second, guys. Hey, yo, Carlos. You're streaming and let's go. Thank you very much, Carlos. Thank you. Let me see here. One second. Oi. Here we go. I've used some adult nappies for a week now. Very resilient. I can tell. I can tell. Carlos, thank you very much. Um, says adult nappies. What are adult nappies? What's wrong with like naps, Stuart? I've used used some adult nappy for a week now. That's funny. Naps are okay. Naps are okay, Stuart, regardless of age, right? Yeah, sometimes you just need to rest. But I know what you mean, though. I know what you mean. So Bitcoin is sold off a little bit here. So I think the thing we talked about how If we're not selling off, when went up nice today, it's hard to trade right now. It is, right? So uh, put that thing with BTC orders. Oh yeah, this thing, the AGGR, the Bitcoin transactions here. Yeah, here you go. Right. So these are just some whale for whatever. Oh, like whatever babies wear. Oh, nappies. Okay, like diapers. Diapers, Stuart. Oh yeah. I thought like you meant like nappies as like in taking naps. Like taking a rest. Oh, thought that's what you meant. Adult nappies. I'm betting. You're betting on more long here. Okay. Uh. Uh. uh some more longs. I mean, we talked about this earlier, right? Earlier this week, how, I mean, if we're getting data like this, and if we're not selling off now, right? If we're not selling off now, then the question's when. That's my question. The question's when. When do we sell off? If we're not gonna do it now, right? If we're not selling off now, then when? You know what I mean? So, anyways, Bitcoin is still below $23,000, which is a big, big level, right? So, well, at least for today. I'll pull up the daily chart and see what that kind of looks like, because I bet you we have a few tops there now. And then see what tomorrow looks like. We have some GDP number coming out. Not gonna happen. We'll have some. You can smell it. What can you smell, Stuart? Stuart says I can smell it. 1 second. Uh, 1 second. Oi. It's trying to thrust. Or Matic is. What's Matic at? Matic is an absolute monster, honestly. Everything struggles. Matic doesn't struggle at all. Matic is back to that danger zone 90. Are you going to take profits, is what you're saying, Crystal? We go at night, dump in the morning when GDP comes out. Yeah, probably. For crypto, yeah. Right, so crypto is riding that stock market momentum. We're getting played, attract the small retail FOMO, and then death candle. Yeah, probably. Probably. Let me see. We set a stop loss at the 90 level if it breaks and holds. Okay, sounds good, Chris. I bet you that. I think that's the best plan. Again, like Matic is just crazy, right? Look at what Bitcoin is doing. So that's still 1 minute. Bitcoin is basically dead. Matic is thrusting, right? So um, that's madness. Anyways, no, Matic looks really, really good there. If you guys have any questions, I'll pull up Matic if you want to. Actually, I'll do that right now. I'll do a split screen between like Bitcoin and Matic so you can kind of see what's happening there. So do that and do this, right? So Bitcoin on the left hand side. Now do a little bit of Matic here. Look at these candles, right? Again, that's Bitcoin on the left hand side, same time frame. Look at Matic though. No, that's Bitcoin again. Look at Matic on this side, right? So this thing is absolute madness. Look at that, right? Like Bitcoin says, "Ooh la la," this thing says, "Yeah, okay, cool, I'm gone." I'm gone, right? So we'll see what happens here. See if we can actually stay above that 90 level there, and then go from there, Crystal. Right? So, la, la, la. Not trying to be negative, happy for both. Just a strong feeling I have. Remembering the previous fake pumps, Stuart. Now I know what you mean. Now I'm just watching for now. Oh, I need to take care of this rubbish here. Mm, uh, Interesting. Good evening, Eric. What are my thoughts on XRP after the lawsuit? Win or lose? I mean, win, obviously, nice bump. Might not be as much as people expect it to be. Lose? I, to the bridge, panic selling. We need everyone's opinion. There's not a right or wrong. No, exactly, exactly. No, exactly. Right. So, no, again, that's for Stuart. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. No, there's no right or wrong. Absolutely not, right? So no right or wrong. You know what I mean? It's just I mean, we're just in a weird time where we're having these massive pumps that are, I mean, like, the weird pumps, right? So just as long as you have justification, yes. I mean, as long as you have a reason, right? So Doge is holding 6 cents. Yeah, it is. Doge is holding up well. But that's not good enough, is it, Christo? Doge needs to get going. But anyways, no, for Bitcoin here, if we look at the technicals, um, I was just curious. My thoughts. I couldn't remember if I talk about it. No, yeah, yeah, no, we have like we talked about XRP quite a bit. Because I know a lot of people that hold XRP. Right. So we talked about it quite a bit. For now, honestly, you're just waiting for the lawsuit, right? So it's never been about like the actual technology for me. And that's something you have to understand most of the time. Join the Discord, yeah, right. So that's something you have to understand, right? There's the so like most people that buy XRP buy it for the momentum, buy it for the potential of them winning a lawsuit and then exploding, right? So you kind of have to understand that, because again, the technology itself behind that, the ripple, is good, right? So you have all these institutions using it already. So that's not the problem. The problem for me though is all of retail buying it for that specific reason, right? Can they win the lawsuit? Can they win? Can they win? So if that doesn't happen, well, I mean, now all these guys are not going to care about the technology. They're dumping it, right? So has been a farce. Like, it's been a long time for XRP here. You know what I mean? Like, it's been a long, long time. Like, what's going on? I don't know, right? So, anyways, um, Bitcoin is selling off there. Matic is selling off a little bit there as well now, right? So that's what happens when Matic explodes like that, with on its own, right? So, and then these sell-offs are vicious, 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 vicious. So if Bitcoin retraces here, and then Matic obviously is going to struggle. So we'll see what it does. I'll pull up the chart for here for Bitcoin and take a look. So let me take a look at the 4 hour here, right? So obviously we've had a really good rally the last 24 hours, so and whatnot, right? So really, really good rally here. We have a little bit of resistance here at 2023. I mean, this is a common level, right? We failed at this level last time. We kind of formed the head and shoulder at that level. You can see these three like 4 hour candles struggle at that level. So obviously that's an issue, right? So when you have, that's the thing about momentum, right? When you're watching these candles and one candle breaks above the other and then the other candle breaks above the other, that's a good thing because the momentum continues, right? People get excited about that. But then all of a sudden, when you see like multiple candles failing and not really clearing a level, that becomes a problem. So again, that level is $23,000. So I'd be watching that level closely. Our next level of support here, well, we have these two moving averages here at 22K, right? So that's a huge drop to that level there. So I don't know if I really let me pull up a different time frame here and see what that looks like, right? So again, I'd be looking for 22K. 22K has been it's been a level on the way up and on the way down. So obviously that's a level to watch, right? So if we take a look at the daily here as well, do we have anything here that's any little patterns here that could give us a clue in terms of what's happening? Not really, right? So you can also see here the last two rallies that we've had now. As much as we've had this one candle break above and go, the last two rallies have struggled here at the 50-day moving average, right? So the 50, so the orange line that I'm looking at, I'm gonna make this more visible here, right? So the orange line again, we've had one candle break above that, but all the other candles have struggled, and this goes all the way back to like, I don't even want to go back because Bitcoin's rubbish is right. This goes quite a ways back, right? So quite a ways back. The last time we filled that 50-day moving average was at 42K, right? So that levels of that moving average has obviously been a problem as well, all the way down here, right? So we're struggling at that level. That level is just around $23,000 as well, right? So again, that's another level to watch in terms of support here. Again, I would be looking for that $22,000 level there closely, right? So yeah, I'd be looking for 22K there, and then see what happens. We're getting a lot of buy signals here for Bitcoin. If you zoom out on the daily, there's a long term trend. I'll take a look, Stuart. I'll take a look. We not 22.2 as support. Yeah. No, resistance on the bounce right off support on the 1 day. Yeah. No. Recently and hoping for the best, but my rest of the portfolio is looking good with these pumps. I have a strong feeling though that it will not last. No, why does no one believe that this is gonna last? Right? No one believes it's gonna last. Maybe it's gonna last then, Stuart. Eric doesn't believe it's gonna last. I think we've just been preconditioned to kind of, you know what I mean? Like kind of preconditioned here to not believe in these rallies now. Maybe that's when it actually does rally. But anyways, we'll see, right? So we need to start breaking above these levels and holding for people to feel confident. Let me zoom out on the daily here and take a look, because I think I know what you're talking about there, Stuart. Yeah. Like if I my charts are a little bit messy, so I always have to kind of like visualize it without actually showing that. Right, so I think I know what you're talking about there. Like if you go across all the way down there, right, so you can kind of see that line up. So I might have to zoom in. Let me delete this and see if I can zoom in here to make that more visible. Might just have to pull up a different chart here. Clean it up. Nope. There you go. See if that helps out a little bit there. But then I really can't draw anything though, so that's a little bit annoying. Let me see here. Hey yo, Michael. You couldn't see my chart the whole time? Unbelievable. I had the wrong screen up the whole time. Yeah. Yeah, this belief is true. Yeah, right. So, I mean, we talked about market psychology last time, right? We talked about market psychology in terms of like, like you always want to ask yourself like where you are on this market psychology chart and where you think people are. And I will use this a lot when I ask a question and I kind of like see what people are saying. Well, that's what today, massive. Everyone was expecting a dump. Stuart, yeah, exactly, right? Exactly. So left the basement again. Yeah, Stuart left the basement, Michelle. Anyways, again, so where do you guys think you are on this on again on the market psychology scale here, right? So it does seem like a lot of people are sitting in disbelief, right? So this belief is usually where we sit at before we go on that massive hope rally. Hopefully that's the case, but the criminals go at night. True criminals go at night. Got a short on Solana. You entered 39, 17. Let's go, Michael. You're getting a short? Okay. Yeah, there are a lot of people looking for shorts here, right? There are a lot of people looking for shorts. Because, yeah. Talking to him, the basement wall. Right? There are a lot of people looking for shorts. Michael's in the shorts. I know a few people that are not in Discord that are looking for shorts. People that usually do well with shorts are looking for shorts. It seems like everyone's expecting the market to go back down. Maybe again. I can see why, right? Because it's hot, right? Again, how's your Matic position, Michelle? Right? It rallied again. Are you shorts? That is, or shorts because it's hot? because it's hot. Yeah. Um, is hose a code for something? I don't know. You gets the hose. Oh, it's from like a show. Stuart, I haven't seen the show, but it's from a show or something. Yeah, yeah. Anyways, so again, market psychology here. It seems like a lot of people are in disbelief. I mean, we kind of hope that's the case. You kind of hope that's the case. Um, just because again, like when crypto rallies, when everything rallies, we benefit from it, right? So we never want to sell off. It's just again, these rallies are need more time for confirmation. So anyways, we'll see what happens here in the rest of the week, right? The rest of the week is really important. Goku, I'm good. How are you? How are you? Right? So or depression personally, you think you're in depression. Yeah, I mean, depression is not a bad place to be though, right, Stuart? um, Depression, not bad, not bad, not bad, not bad. Depression is a sign of the bottoms as well, right? So we'll see what happens here the rest of the week. So again, we get GDP data tomorrow, and then we have some more earnings tomorrow as well. So Apple reports, Amazon reports, right? So those are going to shake up the market a bit as well, right? So the rest of the week really important. uh, I'm crazy. You are crazy horse, crazy horse. uh let's see. No, no, no. There's no Fed meeting next month either, which is a positive, although emergency meeting tomorrow. Yeah, the Fed is gone on holidays. Right, they're going on holidays. Don't pick the bottom. Just yeah, you guys stick your fingers. Oh lordy. Intel has earnings as well. I mean, I'm sure they're going to talk about that. However many billion dollar bill. That's in the Senate or whatever, right? For chips, I'm sure they're going to talk about that tomorrow. Maybe that'll have an effect on. Yeah, we'll see. They might report weak numbers, but then guidance might be really good, right? So more news tomorrow, Michael. Yeah, more news tomorrow morning. Um, News tomorrow morning, and then after the market closes. So we'll see what happens. We shall see. But yeah, no, the Fed is done for. Yeah, yeah. Anyways, depression and disbelief. That seems to be where most of you guys are sitting at, which is not a bad thing, right? So again, the only concern here for Bitcoin would be the fact that we're sitting below $23,000 here still. So that's the only problem for me, right? The fact that we're sitting below $23,000. If we can break above that, so I'd be watching that 23. Fed off to Barbados, yeah, they're off. And if for some reason we break below 20K, like if we for some reason break below 20K again, yeah, we're testing the lows, right? So I honestly would just be watching the range for now, right? The big range is that 24 level there, Stuart, and anybody, everyone, right? So the big level there's that 24 that we tested the last rally there, right? So again, 23, 24. So I'd be watching those levels, right? If we break above those. And right, okay, cool. We might be ready to run for that 28. If we break below $20,000 for some reason, yeah, pack your bags. Like if we smell 20K for some reason at all, pack your bags because we're selling off, right? To test those lows again. So it's always hard to kind of give you an answer because we rally for one day based on just again technical rebound. Let's call it a technical rebound, right? Because that's what Bitcoin seems like. The market is bouncing for obvious reasons, which Bitcoin is following. But Bitcoin's run seems a little bit muted, right? So again, it's a one day rally. Can't really take a whole lot from then, can we? Not a whole lot. right? So once we're a little bit consistent here, right? A few days of rallying or whatnot, right? Then we can say, ooh la la, right? So this is what the chart looks like now. We're creating a little uptrend on the 1 hour, the 30 minute or something, right? So the 4 hour. Okay, let's ride this trend higher, right? So for now though, we watch and we see what the rest of the week looks like, right? So most people are shorting as Bitcoin hits resistance, as Matic hits resistance, as this hits resistance, right? People are still in that mental, like it's still in that mindset of like when we hit resistance, you short it, right? Because we're not really clearing these levels yet, and that's fine. To my peeps, don't get T-boned by a crazy lady unless she's somebody in a small town who has monies. My oh, oh wow! Look at this, guys. So earlier this morning, Crystal got T-boned. Crystal got T-boned, and now Crystal says, if you're going to T-bone, if you're gonna get T-boned, uh, let it be a crazy lady in a small town that has monies. Look at this. Well, Lambo. Crystal's planning these monies already. Look at this, guys. What package do you have with TradingView? I think I have like the Pro Plus version, Stuart. Pro Plus or something like that. Um, because I know one of those options only lets you do like two screens, right? But in the green, you're getting a Michael for your short. Yeah, I bet you. Yeah, in the green, I see what you're looking at. Yeah, for your Solana position, right? So nice. No, Bitcoin is honestly Bitcoin has been trending lower here since we hit $23,000. Like it's been trending lower and lower and lower, right? Some of these alts are moving on their own and rallying. Bitcoin has just been slowly pushing to the downside though, right? So uh, that's a that's a bad day. Yeah. No, Crystal's okay, thankfully, right? So um, you almost got T-bone too, Michelle. Oh Lord. uh, almost got T-bone. Be careful, guys. Be careful. Be careful. Summer is it's not even winter. Let me see here. No, 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 no. Eight, 7. Confirm. Hey yo, Carrie. It's winter for you, Carrie? No way. It's winter in New Zealand. Winter in New Zealand. They're out to get Hot Trades members, Christo. Yeah, like what's going on? Local bottoms, Roger. Local bottoms. New moon on Friday. Okay. So we jump off the bridge tomorrow and then come back on Friday. Okay. Sounds good. Uh, yeah. Be careful, please. On my way back to the BNB. Oh, okay. Um, on his and yeah. Okay. Glad nothing bad happened there, Michelle. Glad nothing happened there. Hugh, come on now. Let's my brother. Let's let's share the wealth. Hugh's like, I'm making too much monies. Send us some monies here. Send us some monies, please and thank you. Hey yo, easy. Hey yo, hey yo, hey yo. Good happy Wednesday, guys. Hopefully having a good day, which most of you guys are, because the market's pumping, crypto's pumping. Well, crypto was pumping. It's chilling now. So yeah. Low volatility. Everyone uses bots for trading. Ganesh. I mean, I see what you mean. Yeah, some of these projects do use volatility bots, especially when they're riding in the same kind of in the same range. Yeah, you can tell that it's bot trading. It's actually winter New Zealand. Like it's actually winter New Zealand. Hmm, weird. Very different. Very different. Question for you guys in the chat though. If you again, so I like asking this question quite often, even though it kind of connects with the market psychology cycle there. Just yes or no, right? If yes, again, yes, if you think we found the bottom already for Bitcoin, um, just type in yes if you think we found the bottom already, right? So and then no if we haven't, right? Just kind of want to see what you guys are thinking, right? So yes if you think we found the bottom already, and no if you don't think we have, right? So EMC to the moon, Wi-Fi, okay. Okay. So Michael says nope, we haven't found the bottom. Can you look at ETH for a few? You're in at yeah, you are. Okay, sounds good. So Treat says yes, we have. Kerry says no, we haven't. Michael says no, we haven't. Easy says no, we haven't. That's really interesting. All right. So let me get a few more answers, and then I'll take a look at ETH. Yes, but bottom to be retested again. Okay, there you go. Double bottom confirmation there, Stewart, is what you're looking for. Very close, Stewart. Okay, sounds good. Starts. Check your wallets. Check your wallets. Hugh. Yes, now my brother. Hey, my brother. Check your wallets. Yes, we have. Michelle says yes, we have. Interesting, right? So tomorrow will be the real bottom, then probably a pump. Ganesh, you think we hit a bottom tomorrow? Um, Bottom Bitcoin bottom 17K carry. I mean, that's kind of what we've been looking for, right? So would have been really nice if at some point during this whole cycle of pump and dump, we tested 17.5 again, 17.6 to confirm a double bottom. That would have been beautiful, right? So because again, like we mentioned earlier, if we double bottom at 17.5 and hold above 20K, I think the bottom is in. Like I think we found the bottom already to thrust. That's kind of what I was looking for. It never quite happened that way. We just been playing games up and down, up and down. Uh, I don't know. I don't have one, Stuart. I don't. I don't have one. I don't know what to tell you. I don't have one. Easy would like too much time away. Look at the craziness that's going on here now. Look at the volatility. Bought this one for my yeah, you did? Okay. You're buying the dips? You think so? 12 to 13K bottom, 85%, 80 to 85%, 80 to 85% for from all-time highs. Okay, interesting, right? So honestly, again, I'd be looking for these. If we break below 20K again, I think yeah, Michael, I think you have a shot, right? If we start breaking above these 23s and 24s, right, and we're holding this consistently and making some higher lows on bigger time frames, I think you might have a hard time getting back down there, right? So unless something crazy happens, right? So unless something crazy happens, I think the market is not coming to terms though. Like in my opinion. I think the market's really coming to terms with like inflation being a thing where we have to fight. The market's coming to terms with like the war in Russia. The market is coming to terms with like monkeypox, coronavirus, and all that stuff, right? So we're gonna need something crazy to happen. Right, like if we're gonna go back and test levels like 12s and 13s and whatnot, we're gonna need something crazy to happen. Right? You think so? 17 cents, ETH $900, double bottom. Okay, sounds good. Yeah, that 900 kind of aligns there, carry with Bitcoin's bottom, right? So, we'll bind the dips for the 2025 time frame. Okay, sounds good. Long time frame. Okay, right. So, yeah, well, still waiting for 12K. Oh, right. So again, we're in a range, right? If we break below 20K, for me, I think, yeah, right. Uh, you'd, I did not can if 12K is happening, Stuart. Anyways, yeah, if we break below $20,000 again, I think again we sell off. We sell off. Right, so it's one thing for people to like to buy the dips and buy the dips and buy the dips and buy the dips, and for kind of the market to rally, and you're kind of like again, I'm thinking of right, I'm thinking of like something positive to say about the market. Can't really think of one, but for the market to slowly recover and then break below support again, right? So like when you're hopeful and hopeful and hopeful and we break below support, you kind of give up, right? So that's what happens when we break below $20,000. You're like, you know what, let's crash it, right? Let's sell it. More people will believe that we're testing the 17s and the 15s again, right? So, but then if we break above the highs, right, you're feeling a little bit hopeful. So I'd just be watching those two levels there. You going to long with 20x and $300, doctor and lawyer? Yeah, you will. I bet you a lot of people will. I bet you a lot of people will. A lot of people will do like the 20x, the 10x, $100, $200, $1,000, $20, right? So, just enjoying your last minute. Go cool. Okay. Unbelievable. I really don't think this can stay this high, but I've been wrong before. Jason, I know. One of these days, you might be you might be yeah, you might be we'll see, right? So I still would be watching that range. I don't want to be right, I don't want to kind of guess too much in terms of like what's going to happen. I just want to watch it for now and see. 22 to 21.5 is rock bottom. Crystal thinks that 22 to 21 to 21.5 is the rock bottom, right? So again, we do know that support, there's support at 22k there. The level that I'm watching really, Crystal, is that 20k, right? So if we're not breaking below 20k and we're breaking above 20 to 23, 24s and pushing for 25s, well, say bye bye, bye, right? So, oh, a lot of people will. I will join you guys in 20xing and leveraging. Uh, if we're crashing, and I'd be okay with doing like 100 multiple times at every $1,000 drop and get liquidated. I'd be okay with that. Uh, so please is a regular, of course. It's a reg. I'm not a reg. I'm not. Yeah. I don't know what to tell you. Uh, would you ever close it? I mean, well, honestly, if Bitcoin sells up to 10 to 12s, I think a lot of people would be looking to at least own a Bitcoin and then see where it goes, right? So that would be the same kind of that would be the same type of why do you have so many doctors in the well, doctor, doctor and lawyer? What's Luna C doing? Honestly, not sure. I'll have to take a look. Of course, this is a regular. What, like a regular to leverage shorting and leverage long, or what? Leverage shorting and leverage long. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. I don't know what to tell you. Um, Again, so these crypto bubbles have obviously done really well. Like crypto's done really well. Let me take a look at this here. Let's see. And leverage place hooked to YouTube crypto streaming. Yeah, it's a problem. It's a problem. I don't know what to tell you, Stuart. Um, I'm surprised. Like I don't know if I'm surprised. Yeah, Bitcoin is just really it's really weird tonight. Really weird. Anyways, we'll see. Looks so nice and green. Yeah, they do. So that's the daily for these crypto bubbles. So this is the last hour here, right? So the last hour, obviously, we sold off a little bit, right? Um, I mean, ETH Classic is still a monster. Obviously, SNX is another one. Can you believe I tried shorting this thing at like $3? Not today though, because I tried shorting this thing and this thing said, "Yeah, you know what, suck it," and it exploded. And I never looked back. I was like, nope, absolutely not, never coming back, never ever coming back again. And every day now I see SNX like pumping. I'm like, yeah, you know what, you can pump if you want. I'm just never coming back. Uh, I Okay, but you need a 20% run easy. The criminal. Put to the test. At least next cycle high will. Yeah. Why not? Why not? When who is in here and not hit the like, I will find you. Yeah, guys, if you haven't smashed the like yet, smash the like. Hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel, and if you're not a member yet and you're not in Discord, become a member and come join us in Discord, guys. Right. So here's the membership link. At the bottom of the chat here, now showing off from Nightbots. Become a member and come join us in Discord. Let's talk some more crypto. My bad. Michael says my bad. My bad. That's okay, Michael. Smash like if you haven't already. Hit that subscribe. Anyways, So these bubbles obviously look good here for 24 hours, right? I think Crystal had a question. Crystal wanted me to take a look at ETH here. So let me do that right now. Let's do that right now. You got in at just below 1400 there, Crystal. I mean, you're in a really good spot, right? So I'm gonna pull up the daily here because that looks a little bit better and create a lot of crap, right? So you got in around this range here. 13, so you're in a really good situation, right? So you know what's actually funny is that sell-off candle from 3 days ago just came back to confirm your level, and then it rallied back up there, right? So only concern here for ETH, right? Only concern here for ETH on the daily, Crystal, is just that what again. So these are all daily candles here. These candles are all 24 hours long, right? And then this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 for the last 10 trading days here, right? ETH has been failing at the same level, right? So obviously we're sitting at resistance. So a lot of people taking shorts, right? So that's not a surprise why people are shorting at this level, because it's resistance, right? So this level is let's call it 1650-ish. Let's call it 1650. So if we do break above this level, that's a really good thing, because then that opens up room for more thrusting, right? So it's nice when you get into when you get into positions like this, when you get into position a lot sooner, right, and it's rallying to resistance, you now have the option of selling, or you can just wait, right? So you can just wait and watch and see what happens. You can just again watch a smaller time frame maybe and see what's happening at that level. See if we're actually failing and curling lower, and then you can get rid of it. If it's not, if we're just sticking at that level and flagging, you can just keep watching, because if it does break above that level, it's ready to thrust, right? Did someone say thrusting? But then the problem is, if you're looking for a brand new position and resistance there for a long position, you're asking for trouble, because if that thing doesn't break, yeah, you're going to the bridge right away. Like right away, right? So you always want to be careful, right? So no, Crystal, you're in a good spot though, man. Like you bought at 13, 13 whatever, right? So that's not bad at all. Did someone say thrust and what? And thrust. La, I won't disclose your IP. You know what I like to see though, Mike? I like to see some of these transactions here from these from people like Michael Saylor. Um, I want to see what they're doing. See what they do. What happened to like El Salvador? Um, El Salvador. These guys haven't been buying the dips anymore. No. Has anybody heard anything from El Salvador? I need to pull up like the Twitter page, because that guy's usually active in terms of like posting stuff when he's buying. It's like Bitcoin. I bought more Bitcoin. Let's go. That dude is not buying anymore. Maybe that's a good sign. Maybe that's capitulation or something, right? So, not buying anymore. It's like no more. I'm over it. I'm done. Um, not living at that bridge. Oi, uh, on the way so we can short it, Jason. Yeah, no more monies. They've been yes, they're paying out debts. He's buying Fluky now. Stacy, no way. You're joking, right? Don't tell me that guy's buying anything else. QNT, like Quant, Kobe, or what? Is that a new coin? Like QUNT? Is that a new one? I uh I really hope though. I really hope he's You're joking? Okay, okay, sounds good. I wouldn't want someone to like put the country's wealth in Bitcoin and then turn around and say, yeah, I'm gonna go buy some fluky too. But stuff like that happens sometimes with retail investors, where you buy a good project, it doesn't perform, and you're like, you know what, I've lost too much money. So how can I make my money's back quickly? And then you jump into a meme, and then you get taken to the bridge right away, quickly, right? So, um, I will forever wonder where that money is coming from. Honestly, I wish he would say where that money is coming from. But again, like these smaller countries really don't. No one's really gonna care. Honestly, I bet you the people, like when you live in a small country, like in a really small country like El Salvador is, and your main concern is like, oh, where do I sleep tonight, and like where do I get my food, and like where do I go for work, and blah 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 blah. Your last problem is what the president is doing, because that money is never coming to you anyways. Never coming to you. Is it still alive? I don't know. Ooh, look at this thrust here. Look at that, Bitcoin. Is that you, Stuart? $1.5 million Bitcoin buy. Is that you? No, it is. It just hasn't performed for a while now, right? So dollar buy, 1.5 million dollars. Again, the thing with these orders is you can never really trust them because that's probably a scalp for someone. Oh, SLP, SLP. Yeah, people love this smooth love potion because that thing would rally. That thing would give you some nice gains every once in a while, and then sell it and then wait for a dip again and then consolidation and then boom, boom again. So people loved it. It will. But that's probably like 50x, 50,000 dollars, and then leverage to whatever x, right? So 20x. So what the heck? ETH Classic or ETH Classic is a monster. All right, let me pull up ETH Classic here, ETC, and look at ETH Classic. Oh my lords! Wait, what? This thing's at $32 now, 32.60. Rallied all the way to 34. Wow. I had no idea ETH Classic rallied this much today. Wow. Why? Because FOMO. What just happened? I think 30%. My question is why? I mean, I know this thing likes to pump. It always does this, like always, for no reason. Well, there's usually a little bit of a catalyst. Keep thrusting. Day and night. You let's go, Mr. Levitt. My question is why? How? How is the question? How is the question? Like, wait, what? Proof of work, ifs. Oh, like this is just pure FOMO because again, this is a project that is listen to Stu, the man pitches crypto. Yeah, I know you. I know he does. You have no idea. Well, I take over the streams. See, you know what's funny though? You know what's funny? Stuart says that Hugh, Stuart and I are in the same boats. Stuart and I in the same boats. Stuart was asking last week, who the hell is buying ETH Classic? Who the hell buys ETH Classic? Stuart says, and here we are, Stuart. For more, wow. And then, if I asked you, like, can you give me some projects that you think are better than ETH Classic? You know, like I bet you every single one of you guys in the chat would give me a project that's 10x, 10 times better than ETH Classic, and that's fine. But again, that's not what it's about, is it? No, it's not. This is just pure FOMO and hype and a bit of a catalyst, right? So we talked about the catalyst about a week ago when ETH Classic started rallying from to 20 to 28, right? We talked about that, right? On the dips, you were easy. Still are big fans of proof of work, yeah, because of the security factor, yeah. I know. I told him I did, and he reacted with the, no, like like most of us would agree with Stuart, right? So, um, but like when FOMO kicks in, people ignore everything else. So like, yeah, let me go to small time from here because we're missing wow. Stuart, wow, wow, wow. When FOMO, this thing is just rallying. Stuart, let's FOMO. How about that? Are you ready to FOMO? Right? I as a tech is slow and outdated compared to but have a better understanding now why people are yeah. When short is the real question. Honestly, ETH Classic, I promise you, I would never look to short ETH Classic. No thanks. Not like this. Not when there's real danger like this. I mean, this thing is dangerous. Dangerous. No thanks. I'm not looking to short this, Stacy. I would short anything else. This? No thanks. No thanks. Look at that. Scared of shorting a project that is but like again, this is nothing new for ETH Classic though, honestly, and I think that's part of it. Again, there's the proof of work, but part of this is just the fact that ETH Classic has always been one of those projects that rallies. People love to FOMO into this, right? You remember when like Ethereum ran from whatever to 4K to 4K or whatever? ETH Classic was one of the hottest coins, right? So and the guess was that people were mistaking ETH for ETH Classic, right? That was the guess. But this project has just always been a hype project, right? So I don't know what to tell you. These guys love FOMO. Exactly right, Stuart. It's usually retail that FOMO's hard into exactly right. So no, that's okay. Right. So yeah, retail loves ETH Classic. Um, so yeah. Next time we dip and we start rallying again, you bet your boy is gonna be in there. Like, okay, I'm gonna be in there. Like when thrust. Next time ETH crashes, like not next time we crash for ETH and we go to like a ridiculous number and we start pumping, is the OG? Yeah, easy, right? So your boy will be there at the door. Like anybody that you guys know that gif, the little gif, right? With the guy with scratching his neck. That guy is what's his name again? I can't remember his name. Dave Chappelle. I will be scratching my neck like anybody have more ETH Classic, please. Roger, you know the gif? Anybody have any more ETH Classic? Because that'd be me. Stacy, you wanna know why? You trust me, bro. Stacy, that's the source. The source is trust me, bro. Why are you yelling, Stuart? To ETH, I just but because it's cheaper, there you go, right? That was the speculation last time, right? So in it, bruv. In it, bruv. Tesh, in it, bruv. Um, that's my favorite British thing to say, you know? Yeah, Michelle, trust me, bro. Trust me, bro. That's the source. Knock, knock. Knock, knock. It's place. ETH Classic home. Stacy, trust me, bro. I will be there waiting to get in. You're pumped on crypto gains, Stuart. Yeah, I'm ready for the market to turn around, right, and go for again this multi-month rally. That'd be exciting, super super exciting. So I'm ready, 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 ready for the thrust, for the thrust. Go. My Stuart, that's what Michelle, isn't it? How's Shiba doing? Well, Shiba is sitting at Shiba is still at the abyss. Um, Shiba is still all the way down there. Shiba is not really doing a whole lot, right? So the way Shiba moves is Shiba will wait for on Dogecoin and all these smaller projects. These projects will wait for for Bitcoin to actually rally and break above a key level and consolidate, and then they rally, right? So these initial rallies here, most of these like smaller projects don't do anything. People are, and that makes a whole lot of sense, right? When like crypto is sitting at the bottom and looking to bounce, people are not running to Shiba, Dogecoin. People are looking for good projects to buy first. ETH Classic. People are looking for good projects to buy first, right? And then once the market rallies and actually consolidates and it's holding, people feel confident. And then they're looking to buy these projects that haven't rallied already yet, right? And that's when some of this rubbish, comes in. I like about securities, I play momentum. There you go, Hugh. Yeah, Absolutely, Hugh. It's the same thing. It's to a more aggressive levels, Hugh. Right? Crypto's momentum on a bigger scale, because this momentum moves quick. Right? So, anyways, it's coming to an end very soon. Stuart, we could have said that at $28, $25. This thing said nope, 32. You find a recession and we're all good, Stuart. Yeah, easy peasy, easy peasy. These guys are not serious, honestly. Um, in a month, yeah, I have, Stuart. We've talked about that one a few times. This thing's an absolute monster. This thing is an absolute monster. Um, Michelle, a whale, ain't it, bruv? Yeah, Michelle's a wave, a whale. Tish, she is. Tish, I'm your sister. When the momentum, yeah, exactly, easy. We will all run when the momentum runs dry. Exactly. I hope it does. So you can keep making gains. No, yeah. Hopefully it doesn't go sideways all night. Yeah. If Bitcoin goes sideways all night there, that might be a little bit of a problem in it, bruv. In it, bruv. So actually, see what you've done. Take the huge position now and watch your money's when Bitcoin goes. Crystal, yeah. I'm a wave of the whale. I'm a wave of the whale. Yeah, just ride the wave. Ride the wave. Michelle's riding the wave of a whale, and sometimes that's the best thing you can do. No, again, no, crypto's done really well, really well. That's crazy. I had no idea. Like I look at this stuff, and I'm like, oh, ETH Classic is up what 30%. That's cool. But I had no idea this thing broke about $30. That's impressive. What's Mana at here? Mana is still below dollar. Okay, cool. FTM above 30 cents. Yeah, 33 cents. So basically, Sandbox. Okay, cool. $1.29. AAVE is another one. $93. Nice. 93. Oi, these guys come out at night too. Go away, please. Go away. Go away. Let me see here. Oi. Na 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 na. This might be a little bit stock related. I wanted to take a look at this earlier. So again, you guys know Coinbase is getting investigated, right? So Coinbase on the investigation, uh, which love my some FTX, yeah, FTX. Yeah, those guys are that's one project that no one really worries about, like a big project that no one really worries about. So right, so again, Coinbase is getting investigated here. But Kathy Woods, which is again, I'm not quite sure how this sounds. Because again, like love be right back. I'm headed to the best outdoor dating sites, right? So again, like Coinbase is getting investigated. You guys know I don't like Coinbase. Um, as a stonk, right? So that's just don't like it because I think they've done some yeah. But anyways, right? So Kathy Woods again. Kathy Woods' firm is putting $1.5 million into Coinbase. Obviously, these guys have some inside information. Well, they have more information than we do, right? So Kathy Woods isn't going to put a 1.5, $1.4 million into Coinbase if she doesn't think these guys are going to come out on top, right? So she most likely knows something that we don't. Or does she? How much she bought for and sold? It's ridiculous. Yeah. Okay. Let me people on the yeah. Let me take a look. My father makes that sound. Nisi, oh, be quiet. Be quiet. Why? Why did it? I don't know. I don't know why we started saying that. Um, Anyway, so Kathy Woods is backing off Coinbase after steadily snapping up shares. Okay, cool. I'm gonna skip a whole bunch of that rubbish there. So, offloaded more than 1 million shares of the stock Tuesday on the heels of a Bloomberg report indicating Coinbase is facing an investigation by the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission into whether it improperly let Americans trade assets that should have been registered as securities. Cool. I want to see those numbers now, Stuart. I want to see those numbers. I want to see these numbers here. So the news adds to its existing. Okay, cool. Blah 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 blah. So ARK sold 1.4 million dollars of Coinbase, valued at 75 million, based 75 million dollars. Came out of okay cool, which sold about 1.1 million dollars. The move suggests confidence has fallen the largest. Okay cool. With okay cool cool cool. Okay. Kathy Woods firm sold Coinbase at all-time lows of $53 per share after purchasing the stock at an average price of 255. People are seek to troll her. Michelle, I think Kathy Woods is overrated. I think Kathy Woods is overrated, Michelle. Um, she did really well in the bull market. Kathy Woods has not performed in the bear market, right? So, like, she just has not performed in the bear market. Elon's investment strategy game was weak. No, like she just has not performed in a bear market, right? So everything Kathy Woods talks about is getting shorted. Maybe not her fault. She killed Snap. She killed everything. She killed Tesla. Well, she said Tesla was going to $3,000 at $1,000, $1,500. Tesla, Snap killed. Coinbase. If Kathy Woods asked me who has performed, well, I mean, like it's different though. Like Michelle, it's different when like at that position. I feel like at that position she's Kramer 2.0. No, Michelle, honestly, at that position though, I feel like you should kind of have more information than we do. You should when you make that much monies, right? These guys were buying like all the stock at all time highs. Like all time highs these guys are buying, right? So Tesla's sitting at $1,500. I mean, okay, cool. Long term, you're seeing Tesla at $1,500. Tesla has a triple top, and she's like, "Yep, Tesla, all in on Tesla. This all in, that all in." She talked about Teladoc sitting at all-time highs, and she's like, "Yep, Teladoc is gonna change the world." Teladoc from $200 to what now? Crashing after hours, right? To 40 something dollars, $39 now, right? Like the list is just endless. How trades has performed? Yeah, we have with the movers. Anyways, I'm just kidding. Anyways, again, so Kathy Woods buys 200 like Coinbase for $255 and sells it for $53. uh $255. My question is like, again, I completely understand like it's a long-term play. Name a firm who is killed in this market. No, I know what you mean, Michelle, right? So name a firm that's performed. Um, no, like if you buy $255, right? You buy $255, 1.5 million shares, Michelle, um, worth of shares. What the hell are you doing waiting for it to crash to $50 before you sell it, right? So you and I hated Coinbase at $200, $300, all the way up there. You and I ran away from from Tesla at $1,500, right? Who's performed? Who's performed? All right. Why are you holding from $255 to $53? Diamond hands, diamond hands. Anyways, $53. um, oi. She don't know about the stop loss. No, she doesn't know about the stop loss. No offense. Talk to our Netflix back holders. No, that's Kramer though, right? Again, so again, we most of these stocks, and that's the funny thing too. Like it's most of these stocks that these guys are holding that are crashing here like like this. These are stocks that we hated. Like we absolutely hated Coinbase. We never like Netflix at that price. We never like. I mean, the list is endless, right? So to see these guys holding bags from that price to this price, these guys should like have more information than we do, right? I know it's long term and they're fine, but damn, Kramer of ETFs, damn. But no, like Kathy Woods only like I don't know. I only learned about Kathy Woods last year in the bull market, right? So I know it's been tough and no one's really performed, but I feel like they're not quite getting liquidated. Yeah, exactly, right? Treat exactly. My trader buddy had told me Tesla is a great company with a lousy stock, whatever that means. Yeah, no, that makes a lot of sense. I don't know if I agree though. Again, so like a good company is not always a good stock because we've seen amazing companies. The stocks have performed like trash, right? It applies in crypto too. There's some really good projects in crypto, right? Good projects that the coins is just not performing, right? So no, that makes a lot of sense. And then there's some trash stocks, trash coins that are gonna perform. I mean, Dogecoin exploded. Was Dogecoin a good project? No, it wasn't. Shiba wasn't a good project. You need to teach them how to scalp. No, these guys will crash the market here. If they scalp with all that money, they'll crash the markets. Best adult asset in the on the market. Yeah. How much is it worth? You just have to look that ETF. If you look at that ETF on TradingView, it tells you the market cap. Yeah, it's heading that way. Bumping hard today. Frothy. Yeah, we did. We looked at it earlier. They play chess, not checkers. No, exactly. No, no, I completely understand that. These guys are longer. They look for long term. In a bull market, these guys will make their monies back, right? Like you never worry about the Kramers and the Cathy Woods and all these firms. In the bull market, these guys will make their monies back. That's not a problem, right? So it's just some of the things they're holding. It's highly questionable, honestly. But yeah, again, they look for longer, right? They have longer term outlooks, right? So yeah, and eventually the market will hit new highs again. Gosh, the market always hits new highs, right? So it seems like, right? Um, so no, I'm never worried about these guys. We complain, but no, these guys are usually better than the. These guys are always better than the average retail investor, right? So Kramer can talk about Netflix crashing. Kramer's still gonna make millions of dollars this year, isn't he? He's not worried. He's not worried about Netflix. Not worried about anything. So we just like to have fun with some of the plays because it makes us feel. I don't know. We can kind of think that okay, they're human too, right? So I guess yeah, they're human too. Maybe that's why we trashed them a little bit. Yeah, yeah, yeah. No, again. So how much is Let me take a look in uh let me see here, Tesh. Na, 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 na. Na, 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 na. Uh, e- oh, these red. Look at all that red. Look at all that red. I know I'll do a better job than her. Are you sure? No, these guys are very good at what they do. We just look at Bitcoin sell off. Look at that, all that selling pressure. Look at what that did to Bitcoin here. Bitcoin looks weak tonight. Looks really weak. Right, really weak tonight. So, glitters is gold. No, no. Like my concern with like since day one, Roger, with these crypto exchanges. Same thing with Robinhood. Is these guys make their monies by like these exchanges made their monies like they made their monies like they came up with ridiculous like earnings because they made their monies from like fees from like crypto fees, right? So at the all-time highs it's hard to replicate that, now they need to kind of transition to a new business model. And what they're doing instead is spending all the monies they made on advertisement, on this, on that. Yeah, that's not gonna work. That's not gonna work. All right. So again, one thing about like some of these firms like Robinhood, especially Coinbase, is that there are a lot of market makers that love Coinbase. I mean, you can see how confident Kathy Woods has been holding Coinbase from 255 to $53, right? She's not alone. Like, she's not alone. People love Coinbase. Like, people love some of these crypto exchanges because that's their way into crypto, right? So especially these market makers. Like, I was watching CNBC about a month ago, and these guys were all in on Coinbase. They were buying Coinbase. They're like, yeah, Coinbase has dropped enough at $60, $70. It's dropped enough. We think it's time for to get into Coinbase, right? So, and they were all happy about it, right? So, like, they love Coinbase. So eventually, maybe, right, we see a rally. So, we see a rally. Zoom out. Great day today. Yeah, sure. I mean, we can all zoom out. You really want to zoom out? Let's talk about Bitcoin. I'm just kidding. No, again, it's done well today. It's just sitting below resistance, right? Um, and then again, if you take a look at the smaller time frame, it's weak. It's weak. It's weak, right? So, is what a good coin? Binacle? What is that? Yeah, another. Is that Stewart's favorite coin? Binacle. What's that, Sesh? Is that Koji Inu 3.0? Now I want to go take a look and see what that is. Sounds like I bet you this thing. Oh, BNB. Oh, like you mean like Binance coin? Oh, Binance. Oh, Binance coin. Yeah, that thing. Binance. Oh, okay, 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 okay. Yeah, Binance. Oh yeah, no, Binance is usually lit. Binance is one of the things that's not crashed like everything else. If you take a look at Binance, if you take a look at the chart, it looks a lot better than like 90% of the crypto charts you look at on like in yeah, Binance has done really well, like really really well. So, and whenever crypto rallies, Binance is usually one of the first ones to go up and the last one to go down. So it's done really well. These guys have monies. They have monies to hold it up. So Binance FTX in Binance FTX, those two have done really well. For ETH, you took profits at 15 and you want to get back in frothy. I don't think I would do that now. I would wait a little bit here. So look at ETH Classic, unbelievable. Anyways, so again, this is ETH. Right, so we are, if you take a look at the daily or the 4 hour here, something a little bit more right, you can kind of notice that we're sitting on resistance here, right? So this goes all the way back on the daily as well. What happened to Crow is still there. Just not as exciting anymore. Roger, since they pulled that little stunt, people have lost a little bit of confidence, right? So now they need a catalyst. Crow is sitting around like what, 13 cents, 14 cents, right? Anyways, it's competing with momentum from Shiba and Doge. Anyways, again, so I would be a little bit patient here if you're looking for position in ETH frothy. There's resistance here at 1650, so I would almost wait for it to break above that level, or just wait for the next dip, and then I'll look for position there, right? So again, there's a little bit of resistance all the way across here, right? These are 4 hour candles, and this is not the first time we've been here on the daily as well. So if I pull up the daily here for ETH, same story, right? You can kind of see how we're struggling at that level there, right? So again, these are daily candles now. For the last 10 trading sessions or so, we've been struggling at that 1650 level. So I would just wait and see if we break above that or give us a retracement, right? So great night with the Asian market, and then tomorrow, yeah, okay, yeah, we'll see what happens tonight. Regardless of what happens, we're here, ready to ready to thrust or buy the dips at the. Is this pump from overseas? Over? No, it's not. And again, so these guys wake up in a few hours. So no, this is from us um, thrusting the market. Coin gone from 10 cents to 100 $100. I bet you there has been. So I bet you there has. Which I'm thinking now, thinking of what something that's gone. I'm sure someone can give you an example in the chat. Let me see. I'm sure something has gone from like the abyss to the moon. Uh, la, 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 la. La, la, la. I mean, Dogecoin is not Dogecoin. Bitcoin is one, right? Bitcoin is an obvious one. That's gone from the abyss. I'm trying to think now because I know something else had a strong rally. Can't remember. Cannot remember for the. Doge. You want to take a look at Doge or what? F or is that a new coin? What's that? What is that? Michelle, did you get rid of your Matic or you're still holding it? Did you sell your Matic now? Finally, after getting back to profits? Or you're just holding? Oh. Luna went from 100 to 0, Tash. There you go. Luna went from 100 to 0. That's funny. Unbelievable. Well, looking to go the other way, Frothy. Not from 100 to 0. You're holding it, Michelle? Okay, sounds good. No, it's done a good job of recovering for you, right? So I'm sure you're really happy now, right? Because you're ready to pack the bags, right? So I'm happy it's recovered. Hopefully, it keeps going for you, right? So we'll see. Yeah, it did have. Luna was anyway, speaking of Luna Classic here, let me take a look. Is Luna moved at all here today? Lunacy? Lunacy. At all at all? Not really. Luna's done nothing. Well, I mean, there's a little bit of a rally here, right? So, but I really wouldn't call. I think I wouldn't call this a rally for Luna. Um, like this is not a rally for Luna here. Let me take a look at Shiba, right? So some of these nah, 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 nah. Shiba's done not much at all either, right? So I mean, we Shiba's done a lot better than Luna Classic has because Shiba's a little bit more connected to Bitcoin, right? So we've had a little bit of a rally, right? So and then sideways, sideways, sideways. So that's not bad, right? So Doge has done the same thing as well, very similar to Shiba, right? So little bits of a rally earlier, right? When Bitcoin rallied, everything rallied, and just chilling for now. So ETH went from 40 cents to 4.5k. There you go. Yeah. Is Duquan in jail yet? These guys don't go to jail. These guys don't go to jail, Roger. These guys pay monies. Uh-oh, here we go. Stuart, are you ready? Are you ready? Ready? Let's make hot trades coin and then rock bullets. We can make so much monies. Yeah. People wanted to people asked about like a coin. Yeah. Those days are gone for these coins. These coins. Anyway, super chat from Gidget Inu. What's your opinion on micro caps? On what's my opinion? Um, I thought you were gonna ask about something else. I was ready for you to ask about Gidget Inu. What's Gidget Inu, by the way? I want to take a look. I genuinely want to see what this is. It's not a coin. Oh, it's not. I'm not disappointed. I am genuinely disappointed. I really wanted to know if Gidget Inu was a coin. But anyways, thank you very much for the super chat. Really appreciate that. I read as mushroom caps. I read that as a mushroom caps. Michelle, you have a problem. You know that? If that looks like mushrooms to you, it's a token. It is. Okay, cool. Hmm. You go, girl. No, honestly, again, so you're asking what's on I mean, like, I feel like Binance does a little bit, Binance does a better job of, like, I don't know, um, because every exchange has its rug pulls, Gidget, right? So every exchange has its rug pull. It depends. You'd have to be specific on like what you're asking for. Microcaps on BSC, you'd have to be a little bit more specific, right? So is it token? Okay, right. You'd have to be a little more specific because again, all of these exchanges will list these projects, right? And then it depends on these projects to you kind of get you know what I'm trying to say here, right? It's like it's project specific, right? So again, micro we have microcaps on every exchange, right? So Binance is not, right? I want to say Binance is a little bit different. Like they're better with like these listings here, right? So, but you never know. You just have to go with the project that you're buying into, right? So, you have Luna on buying on you have buying Luna on there. Wasn't a microcap but rock pull, right? So it's very I don't know if that makes any sense to you there, Gidget. Let me know, right? So you just have to look at the project itself and then go from there, right? Not the whole exchange. Doge Rocket was it what? Doge Rocket. Oh, they're calling for like December now, Roger. They're calling for December. For the Dogecoin Rocket. We have a new member, by the way. New member. Frothy, welcome to Discord. Let's go. So send me an email, Frothy. Email at the top of your screen here, Hot Trades X, and I will send you an invite to join Discord. Um, that you invested in. They have land sales on Sandbox later next month too, plus NFTs. Okay, very cool, Carrie. Very cool. WWNK. Okay, I'll take a look. Michelle, thank you for the super chats. Let's go. You goats. Thank you very much. I read that as mushroom caps. Mushroom caps. When is December? December. When is December? December. Michelle, December. You know, nice. You know that's December. Let's go. So, Gidget, let's go. We have another member. Gidget, welcome, welcome. Thank you very much for the support. Really appreciate that. Keep in mind again, if you want to join Discord, you have to sign up for the Discord level. So if you click on join again, it lets you just upgrade to Discord. And then send me an email. Again, email at the top of your screen here, hottradex@gmail.com, and I'll send you an invite to join Discord. Right. So send me an email and I'll send you an invite. Welcome, welcome, guys. Welcome, welcome. Thank you very much. Let's go. Again, so if you're not a member yet, click the link that Crystal just shared at the bottom of the chat from Nightbots and come join us. Let's go. Let's let's go. And don't forget to smash a like if you haven't already. Hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel. And yeah. Anyways, we're just watching some Bitcoin transactions here as the night goes on. Right? As the night goes on. Bitcoin is still just chilling here, honestly. Let me see what Bitcoin looks like here on the 30 minute, for example. Right. So yeah, again, so we've had a really nice rally today, right? And we're basically just failing at 23k. We know 23k is a problem, right? So we have a double top here at 23k. That's a little bit of a problem. So if we can break above that level tonight, that would be super super exciting, right? So that would be a level to watch there. And then in terms of support, we have that level at $22,000. Even before we get to that level, there are a few levels to watch in between, right? So yeah, I'd be watching $23,000 for potential breakout here for Bitcoin tonight, right? So okay, we look fine. We're just hitting resistance here. So is December is September before October? um, Michelle, I will roast like a goat. Hey yo, Steve. How are you? You never played golf? Golf, Roger? Golf, yeah, it's been a long time since I played golf. Long, long time. Nah, 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 nah. I hate Doge holding a bag. You believe in it, Sesh? I think. I think like to some extent. To some extent, I knew it. I knew it. I knew it, Roman. I knew it. Good. Good to see you. You think GDP will affect the crypto market tomorrow? Yes, it will, Steve. Yes, it will. Yes, it will. I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. That's what I was looking for. I was looking to, yeah, Gadget Inu Army in the house. Let's go, Roman. Thank you for the super chat. Come on. Let's go, guys. Say hi to the Gadget Inu crew, guys. Um, so I might have to take a look at Gadget Inu. Let me see if I can find it here, because see if I can find it. Did you have a live coin? Okay, cool. Uh, Gadget Inu. There you go. 98 cents. Okay. Huh, interesting. Thrust Inu in the house. Let's go, Michelle. uh, Fish for the Metal Weeks. If you listen, and let's go, Crystal. Let's go. If you're not a member yet, come join us in Discords and let's make some monies. um, Now we have to thrust because of Michelle. Now we have to thrust. What is this with all this Inua coin? Let me take a look. Maybe FOMO. Let me take a look. Gadget Inu's in the house. These are I couldn't find it on Coin Market Cap because it's not on there. But if I take a look on like live coin, whatever, Gadget Inu is on here, right? So not saying let's go, Super Sticker, let's go. You guys are asking for it, aren't you? You guys are asking for this. You are never coming. Damn catfish. Let's go, Roger. Alrighty, guys. Let me pull up the beats because I know you guys are asking for with these super chats. I know exactly what you're asking for. So let me pull it up here. Let me pull up the beats, and I need Spotify as well. Um, Spotify. I'm looking for the song. Looking for the song. You guys ready for this? Ready, ready, ready? Are you ready? This thrust is sponsored by Michelle and Gadget Inu and Roger. And oh yes. It's not too much to ask for. Okay. 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 Say hi to the Gadget Inu family. Okay. Come on, it's not working. What's this rubbish here? It's loading. This doesn't want us to thrust. It's slow. Wow. And what? And thrust. And where's the? It's coming, Stuart. For some reason, it doesn't want to load. It's coming. Don't worry. It's coming. Let's go. To the and thrust. To the when lambo. Come on. Wow, wow, wow. This is only gonna take This is only gonna take 100 years to load. So $100, get your new rocket, Roger. Original call on this jam was who? Let's go, Crystal. I need that. Why is it taking so long here? Like, what's going on? So that and thrust. Maybe we got hacked by looking at Gadget Inu, guys. Oh lord, we got hacked by looking at Gadget Inu. To the left and thrust. To the wow. Really? Here we go. Come on. And what? And thrust. To the left. To the right. When Lambo. And thrust. Come on, we play it again, guys. We do it again. Doesn't that seem weird without the beats? Ta 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 ta. Oh yes. To the left and thrust. To the right and thrust. To the window. To the wall. When Lambo. When thrust. When gadget. When Inu. To the moon. The energy. It's the energy. Love it. Come on. And thrust. Go go. Go go. Eye contact, please and thank you. Look at that. Oh man, when I see this video, I want to thrust. I want to thrust. Does anybody else feel like they want to thrust when they see this video? To the left, and thrust. To the right, and thrust. Then Lambo. Let the beat drop. Come on. Go. Go, go. Go, go. Go, go. Come on now. Go, go. Go, go. Go, go. Look at that lady. She's terrified. The eye contact and the this video kills me. And then this Sash's video. To the left. And go, go. Go, go. And slide. To the left. And slide. To the right. Go. 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 Is Bitcoin thrusting to this, guys? Yeah, someone just bought $1.5 million to the thrust song. Come on. Go. Put those hands up in the air. She's wishing that she had that out. She's wishing. Go. Go, go. Go, go. And what? And thrust. And what? And thrust. And what? Come on. Kinda heel. Oh boy. Yeah. Anyways, let's go back to normal music, please. Loud. Very, very loud. Chill out. What a man. I mean, it's the video. That video brings energy, you know. I like that video. Amazing. If you guys haven't seen we'll play the other video later of Tesh thrusting, right? So Tesh, the member, too loud, too Jacqueline. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, Jacqueline. You guys know like my my girl from like back in the day, Jacqueline. Let's go. Where have you been, Jacqueline? Roman? Hi Roman. I'll go back and take a look at these buys come in. It's cause Jacqueline is here, it's cause we're thrusting. She was the Tesh video. I mean it's cause we're thrusting. That's why. Right? So hopefully you guys are having a good evening. And Jacqueline, how are you? Good to see you. Let's go. Let's go. How are you? How are you? How are you? Anyways, again, so Bitcoin is slowly thrusting towards that $23,000 level there. Uh, $23,000. Let's see if we can break above that because these buy orders are coming in here nicely now. That's nice. That's really nice. Uh, we're back. Krista, you remember? Yeah, Jacqueline. It's good to see you. Wow, 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 wow. Too loud. Anyways, so we were kind of looking at Gadget Inu here because I don't know if these numbers are accurate, honestly. Kirk, you're asking for trouble, aren't you, Kirk? Thank you for the super sticker. Let's go, monies. Jacqueline says, laugh out loud. No, once more thrusting. Okay, fine. It's coming. It's coming. More thrusting is coming. Um, there's no volume on this at all, not quite yet, right? So for Gidget Inu, like there's no volume at all. All time high is $1.80, $1.85. Okay, cool, right? So there's no volume here at all, right? So and that's kind of what we need, either to know what the project does or volume, right? So it doesn't have volume yet, right? So supply says 10,000 coins. That's because that's just the first run. You know what I mean? So, anyways, let us know, Roman. Let us know what this project is all about and whatnot, and then we can kind of go from there. So back to some of these whale transactions here, and then you guys wanted to see. So Kirk wants to see this video. So again, if you're not sure who this video is from, this is from Tesh. Tesh is in the chat. Tesh is one of our members, and since we've been thrusting quite a bit lately, Tesh decided to make a video. A remix to the thrust.
Bottom.
Right. So let's play this video. I'm gonna pause the music here as well. Make sure you can hear it. Tej go crazy. Right. I think this video is amazing.
Alexa, I'm taking my pants off.
You criminal, you're always thrusting, but okay, just for hot trades, let's go.
Alexa, thanks.
Check your stop now, you idiot, otherwise you will be under the bridge.
Oh.
Can you guys believe? Can you guys believe what just happened there? You guys see what happened? You guys see what happened there? As soon as that song came on, you want to see what happened? Oh, with this, look at that. As soon as that song came on, we started pumping. Um, is that a coincidence? I think not. I think not. Anyways, Tesh, you're a criminal. I know why you made this song, so you can play this song every time you're in a stock and you need it to go up. Unbelievable. Anyways, that's smart. Back to the music here. Back to the music. I mean, that song came on and we just exploded. Bitcoin broke above 2020 22.8 for the first time tonight. For the first time. Hello, Captain Japan. How's work, Jacqueline? How's work? How's everything? How are you? Your favorite pop songs from Michael? Yeah, it's not good when you're in a short position. Make sure that song doesn't come on. Um, Otherwise, you're in trouble. That's how I thrust you. Anyways, you're back in the red. My shorts. I know, Michael. I know exactly. Might have gained a big green candle. I think so too, Roger. I think so too. Sorry, Michael. Um, Hot Rates is known for. Anyways, again, don't forget to smash a like, hit that subscribe if you're new, and if you're not a member yet, become a member and join us in Discord. Right? Right. So there you go. Yeah, let's hang out for another 10 minutes or so, guys, and then we can hop off and hang out in Discord. Right? So yeah, let me know if you have any questions. If you want to buy some gadget, make sure you do your research, please and thank you, because that thing seems like it's fairly new, new. So be careful. Let's go, treat. Let's go. You're still in that long, right, treat? Yeah. So treat is in that long position and hoping crypto rallies all night. So treat, I hope yeah, keep making those monies, please and thank you. That's all we want, to make monies. So yeah, make those monies. Yeah, no, we can't really see any price action for Gidget. Otherwise, we would watch it a little bit. So it is what it is. Na, 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 na. What are you short? Like you just short Solana, Michael? That's all you're short. Let me take a look. Actually, let's take a look at Solana here. That's the 1 minute. Yeah. Every chart looks like that though. When Bitcoin rallies like that, yeah, look at that, right? So that's your short position there, Michael. That thing rallied back to where you bought in at, right? Just below 40, right? So okay, yeah, that thing rallied back up there. Busky, Crow. What's your question for Crow? It is what it is. It is what it is, shorts. Yeah, it is what it is. Let me take a look at Crow. Feels like it's been forever since I looked at Crow, honestly. That's just because I don't really expect much from Crow. As much as you see these candles kind of reflect what Bitcoin is doing, it really doesn't perform. Like if I pull up the daily chart here for Crow, like this is rubbish, right? So this is the daily chart for Crow. Take a look at any other chart. Just it's just your favorite. It's your favorite. Okay. Well, the good thing about your favorite here is that it's consolidating here and holding support above 10 cents. Bad thing is it's just not performing. Why? Because again, it's lost a little bit of investor confidence, right? So you take a look at any other chart, it's outperformed this, right? So I mean, even like the Dogecoins and the Shibas, they've all outperformed Crow. So that's a problem, isn't it? Right? So just hasn't done much, right? So and it's Crow is sus. No, I just stopped watching Crow after they did whatever they did like 2 months ago, right? Like I just stopped watching them. I was just like, yeah, you know what? No thanks, right? So this happened, right? From 40 cents or from 50 cents, right? This, yeah. As soon as this thing broke below 30 cents, I just stopped watching. Like I just stopped watching it. Again, like crypto has to do with like crypto. A lot of crypto rallies have to do with confidence, like people trusting your project or people just trusting the fact that they can buy this and rally and not have to deal with like a potential rug pull, right? As soon as Crow says, "Ooh, we're gonna do this," and we're gonna pull like our whatever that they did with the credit cards and whatnot, pull some rewards. They're gonna slash their rewards program. This thing crashed and just never came back, right? People love momentum in crypto. That's why ETH Classic keeps pumping because people are confident that they can ride the wave up and then back down, right? So head and shoulders on Gidget. Okay, interesting. Dodgy behavior, some aggressive marketing though. Yeah, they spent all the monies and then they needed some more monies. Stuart, they're like, ooh, where can we get some more monies? Where can we get some more monies? Oh, you're actually looking at gadgets. Actually looking at gadgets. uh, Gadget is I don't know what gadget is. Someone just came in the chat, Stuart, and they had the gadget. They kind of wanted to look at gadgets, and then they sent a super chat. So yeah, it's just a project that's yeah. Again, it doesn't have any volume at all, right? So I would be careful. Poopies in the chart in the Inu. Oh, bridge life. That's exactly what it is, isn't it? One second. Let's see. 14. Look at the volume. Oh yeah, no, exactly. It doesn't have any volume. Right? Doesn't have any volume at all. Like none whatsoever. So be careful. Anyways, Bitcoin is still setting it here. We're about to go for that. We're about to go for that. That $23,000 level there. So, does have a pretty nice chart. Looking on right now, you are. Okay. Um, anyways. Ooh, someone just sold $1.2 million. Is that used to it? Yeah, these guys are just scalping up and down, up and down. And what? And thrust streets. Trust it. How we can trust with that name and fact that you own a popcorn on popcorn, and the fact that you own popcorn. Um, I don't know. I don't know what to tell you. The fact that you own popcorn. Oh wow. Oh yeah. Crypto wants to thrust, doesn't it now? Yeah, it wants to. Against a $23,000 resistance there. So see if we can see if we break above that level. Right. So see if we can break about 23K here and send it. See if we can break out there. Oh, we're going. Here, 23, here we come. 23, here we come. And what? And thrust. Pants off. Pants off already? Yeah. It wants to go. Look at these buys here. And if I take a look at, I don't even want to pull up the chart. I'll just leave it on here. Pants off. I just want to see if we actually clear $23,000 here tonight, right? Nah. Pants off. Come on, we're close. Look at this. We're going. For $30 away here. $23,000 for Bitcoin, guys. Look at that thing go, right? So it's gone. Again, there's a lot of resistance here at 23K, so be careful, right? Let me see here. Oh yeah, we're thrusting there. There you go. Can we hold it? That's the question, right? Can we stay above $23,000? Is really the question. Struggling to break it? Yeah, it's breaking, right? So the question is, can we stay above that level, right? There are a lot of buys coming in. If we're breaking you're closing it short. Oh wow. Oh wow. That thing said, and what? Resistance third time is a charm. Yeah, there you go. It's going crazy. Let me pull up a smaller chart here so we can kind of take a look. Like, we just went mad for Bitcoin there, right? Bitcoin just exploded there. So if I pull up a chart here, which is what I'm trying to do, right? Wow. Look at these buys, 23.3. Like we are pumping. We are. Oh no, you're way down on your shorts. Yeah, exactly, right? So look at these candles for Bitcoin, guys. Look at these candles. Again, the buy orders are coming through, and Bitcoin is exploding. Is a charity meme coin? Oh, okay. Look at it go. Again, look at these transactions here. Like we are pumping. This is what happens when we play thrust music all the time. This is exactly what happens here. We thrust. This is what happens when we play thrust music. This is what happens when you play thrust music. Say boom, boom, boom. Somebody say wayo. Boom, boom, boom. Somebody say wayo, wayo. This is what happens when you play thrust music on hot trades. Crypto explodes. Look at that. Someone just bought $2.4 million worth of Bitcoin. $2.4 million. Virus, we are going boom booms tonight. Look at these. Look at the buy orders, and then look at the candles. Right? Look at these candles here. I mean, we are leaving. No one. For more in time, you need a shorting song. I know. Sorry, Michael. Sorry. 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 Wow. Criminals. ETH is going to, yeah, exactly, right, Frothy? So ETH is pumping there now too. Everything is moving, right? So yeah. Our next level of resistance here, like the next big level would be 2023.5, but ultimately again 24, right? 24K. So the level that we failed at last time is the level that I'd be watching. So yeah, see if we can stay above 23, 20. Let's go. By Supercuts, Virus. Supercuts, how are you, Virus? You missed the thrusting, Virus. Now we're getting a whole bunch of selling here, right? But we're still holding $23,000. And what? And thrust. And what? And thrust. This is like our secret thing now, right? Whenever we play thrust music, start getting out of your short positions. Because look at this. The question again is, can we hold? I'm alive, thank you. I'm alive, thank you. That's madness. That's absolute madness. Like, we're going and going and going and going. Bitcoin is broken out here, right? So we are going. Look at these buy orders come through, right? Crazy Tesh. That's so that the longs are beautiful. Yeah, they are. We are going nuts. It's bro season. It's bro season, right? So yeah, I'm joking. No, you're causing FOMO, Stuart. I'm about to get stuffed out. You are, yeah, Michael. It's aggressive. These guys want to liquidate everybody tonight before they crash it tomorrow, don't they? Liquidate tonight, crash it tomorrow. And the longs are still coming in here. Look at that, 23,420 and more, and that below. That's the Ecuador president buying the dips. Yep. Warm day in the crypto winter. Warm day. A few months of pumping for November midterm. Yeah, I think so too. The question is, does it start now though? That's the question. Does it start now? We're flying, boys and girls. Yeah, we are. Let me see here. Let's see. Before GDP numbers, probably, right? Rockwell before GDP, probably. We'll see what happens, right? Because again, like, we are thrusting. Rockpool. It's above freezing tonight. Oi. It's above freezing. Oh no, we look good. Right. So in terms of technicals here, I'm just gonna let it go. Right, just let it rally. Let's go, Gidget. Gidget says, let's go. Michael, you're waiting? Michael says, sell, sell, sell. Are you getting ready to short, Michael? Or you're just holding? Just holding? Ooh, Gidget has gone to the moon. No, it's time to thrust. Oh yeah, no, crypto looks good tonight, right? So 45% on that long. Congrats, Street. Good job there. Good job. You're holding right now, Michael? Okay, sounds good. Yeah, we'll see what the rest of the night has in store, right? See if this is sustainable. For now, it looks good. Uh, one more time. And what? And thrust. Alrighty, the beats are coming back on, guys. Special request. Special request from Virus. Virus says, you guys ready? If you're holding a short position, there's about to be a problem. It's about $40 for ETH Classic. $40. And what? And thrust. And what? And thrust. Come on, what's going on? Crypto's going crazy, Ganesh. Crypto's pumping. It's just a technical breakout, right? About 23, Ganesh, right? To the left, to the right, and thrust. Come on. To the left, to the right, and thrust. Go, go, go. Eye contact, please, and thank you. Eye contact. Go, 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 go. Play the old video too. Which video? Which video is that, Crystal? Come on. To the left, to the right, and thrust. Come on. To the left, to the double down. the catalyst, Ganesh? It's just technical, purely technical. Spider-Man? No, Sony warned us about playing Spider-Man. They're like, yeah, copyright warning. Spider-Man. No, we can use the GIF, but not the actual video. So that's the thing with Spider-Man. We can use the GIF, but not the actual video. And thrust. This video is funny. This video is pretty damn funny. To the left, to the right, and thrust. There you go. Helicopter. Anyways, back to watching this here. Back to the musics. The music is gadget. Oh yeah, that's what we do. That's what we do. Someone just bought $2 million. So it's $2 million for the Bitcoin, right? The music is way too loud. Music is too loud. Yeah. Is for what? It is? No, Stuart, it really is for a bank. How for that video? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Bonnie. Someone sent Diamond sent it to me, so I don't know. Someone sent that video to me, so I don't know how you would find that. Yeah, it is for a bank. That video is for a bank. Someone just sold $1.3 million. So people are taking some profits here now, right? People are taking some profits aggressively here. People are taking profits. Are like, yeah. Give my money back. Give my money back. I've had enough. Give my monies back, please. Some profit taking. Halifax, UK bank, I'm sure. Wow. That's crazy, actually. Crazy. I'll bank with them. I'll bank with them. Of course you will, Virus. Of course you will. I'll bank with them. Oh, here we go again. Here comes the buys. Anyways, again, so these candles, the reason we just watch this, honestly, because it's fun to watch. We can watch the chart, right? We can watch the chart, which is quite, again, it's the same story here, right? So we're pumping and then we're selling off a little bit, right? So when we find resistance, people take profits, right? So no surprise at all. It's just a little more fun to watch, like these. It was massive there. Oh wow, that's crazy. That's impressive that a bank would do something like that. That's fun. They're criminals. They're criminals here. That's what they are. Criminals. 24,000 Crystal. Yeah. No, it looks good tonight. We might just keep thrusting here for the night, right? Might just keep thrusting. Again, don't forget to smash the like, guys, if you haven't already. UK banks. Don't forget to smash the like, hit that subscribe if you're new. And if you're not a member yet, become a member. Come join us in Discord. Let's give it about 5 more minutes, and then we can hop off and hang out in Discord and see what the rest of the night has in store, right? So again, smash the like, hit that subscribe, and come join us in Discord if you're not a member, right? So then we can hang out in Discord and whatnot. So you send the email for Discord tripod. Okay, it's perfect. Let me see if I can pull up that email here for you. Let's see here. Let me get you an invite link. So once you get the invite link, just follow the steps in the Rose channel. Follow the steps in the Rose channel, and then you should be good to go. Right, there's some images there that you have to follow, instructions. Click on the cookie and whatnot, and yeah, you should be good to go. So you should have the invite now. So check your email. You might have to wait a second, but yeah, let's go. Welcome. Thank you very much for the support. Try Frothy. Yeah, welcome. Meals. Look at this. I might leave out this. Let's see. I'm sure we're all just gonna hang out in the Crypto General channel. So, Crypto General. Can I respond to this message here? Hmm. Nah. There we go. Yeah, no, again, let me know if you have any last questions, guys, in the chat. Let me know if you have any last questions. And then, yeah. Good night. Easy, you're going to bed? Okay, sounds good. Sounds good. Have a wonderful night. Easy. See you in Discord. See you tomorrow morning as well for stonks. Be safe. Enjoy ETH Classic. I'm sure you are. You're looking for $40, $50 and whatnot. So enjoy. Right? So, yeah. And, yeah. See here. Edit that. There we go. Perfect. $23,000. Let's go, Jaboy. Love you too. um, love you too. Let me pull up the chart here for Bitcoin and see what that looks like on the 30-minute or so. 15 actually here. I'll take a look at the 15. Yeah, that was just a breakout, right? We broke out there, right? Like we just broke out. Bitcoin says, yeah, pump, and flag, right? As soon as we broke about $23,000, there, people got excited, right? That was just a breakout. So that's exciting, right? Again, every time frame looks very similar to that, right? So watch for that $23,000 as a retracement level, right? Potentially. If not, if not, well, um, how about how about 24K then? How about 23.7, right? How about $24,000? So we'll see what the rest of the night has in store here, before GDP tomorrow morning, right? So we'll see. ETH looking so nice too. Coin degen, yeah, it is. 30 buzzing too, yeah, Roger. Yeah, all the time frames, like all the time frames, honestly, will look good, right? So, as well, it's 4 a.m. in the morning. Yeah, 4 a.m. for you. Wow. Good thing the market doesn't open till like for another few hours there. Yeah, 24K is the mission. Yeah, I think so too, Roger. These guys might want to thrust it all night before tomorrow morning. And once it's short, the retrace, tight stop loss, don't treat. Okay, sounds good. Yeah. Yeah. Buzzing. Yeah, no, crypto might want to send it tonight. All now long. We'll see. No, good job on what the hell? Yeah, it's been a crazy night. It's been a crazy, crazy night, Eric. Right. So we're pumping and dumping and pumping, mostly pumping and holding, pump, flag, and thrust, pump, flag, and thrust. Looks interesting. Yeah, the RSI. Yeah, I bet you that was just to cool off the RSI on a lot of these times. On again, so that pump and sideways was to cool off the RSI. Not sure what the RSI looks like for Solana. There, might have to take a look. But these transactions are impressive. Impressive. Oh yeah, there's some selling coming in here now, right? So maybe a retest to 23K, that initial breakout level, right? A retest and then send it again. Right, we'll see what happens. Can be a deceiving indicator. Yeah, it can be. It can be. Will probably start coming around more often. Night all. Let's go, Will. Have a wonderful night, Will. See you on the next stream. 2:30 p.m. the US market, and then UK market opens at 8 a.m. in the oh wow, okay. But you don't trade UK markets? I know, it's funny though. Like no one trades their own markets. Like I don't trade Canadian markets. We only wait for like the US markets. So yeah. From your mouth to God's ears, to the bridge, Roger, to the bridge, Looks like it's about to tank. Okay, yeah. Looks like it's about to tank. Yeah, if we see if we can retest that $23,000 level and actually hold above it, right? So if not, then that's a problem, obviously. But if we can hold that level and rally again, maybe 2024 is the mission tonight, right? So we'll see. We shall see. Mm. Yeah, we're getting some cells here. That was exciting for a second there. Super exciting. Super exciting. Super exciting. Alrighty, guys. So we're gonna leave it here for now. Gonna leave it here for now. We'll hang out in Discord and see if the thrust continues. I just bought some Doge, so probably will thank Eric. Eric says I just bought some Dogecoin. Yeah, just bought some Dogecoin now. Yeah. Eric. Oh, Eric, look at that. We're getting some positive momentum here, thanks to you. Anyways, looks like people want to buy the dips here now. Oh yeah, we're getting a lot more buy orders now than sells. Let's have a thrust off in Discord. Let's have a thrust off in Discord. It's actually in Discord. Have a wonderful night, guys. Be safe, please, and thank you. Right, so watch for that 23K. Right, watch for that 24K for the next breakout there. And then we'll see what the rest of the night has in store. And then tomorrow, obviously, we have some more data coming out from GDP to earnings. Right, that's going to give us more insight in terms of what will happen for crypto going forward. Right, so again, smash the like, hit that subscribe. Uh, for me, as you know, yeah, I know. See you in the morning, Crystal. Get some rest, please. Virus, have a wonderful night. Get some rest. Roger says squeeze. Alrighty, all. Have a wonderful night. Let's go, Eric. Have a wonderful night, Eric. Good night, Gidget. Night. Welcome to the community. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for the support. And yeah, see you all in Discord and then tomorrow morning as well. Alrighty. Good night, Hugh. Good night, Eric. Good night, all. Good night, Michelle. Good night, Stacy. Good night, Michael. Good night. Oh yeah, we're thrusting again here. Look at that. Thrusting. Legend has it. He's still waving. Let's go. Alrighty, good night, all.